Crocodiles are reptiles that belong to the Crocodilidae family. There are 14 species of crocodiles. Crocodiles share a heritage with dinosaurs, as they both came from a group known as archosaurs, which included birds, crocodiles, pterosaurs, and dinosaurs. Crocodiles have large, streamlined bodies, a long and pointed head, an elongated snout, armed with numerous sharp, unspecialized teeth, 4 limbs, and a long muscular tail that can lash out either in attack or defense. The skin is thick and leathery, with bony, plate-shaped scales. The eyes, nostrils, and ears are located on the top of their heads, thus, they can still see, breathe, and pick up sounds as they lie unseen in the water. Like other reptiles, they are cold-blooded, meaning that their body temperatures depend on outside conditions. Crocodiles are semi-aquatic animals, found inhabiting both freshwater and saltwater environments throughout Africa, Asia, Australia, and North and South America. They live in tropical regions around rivers, estuaries, wetlands, lakes, salt marshes, and mangrove swamps. Crocodiles are carnivores with powerful jaws. Fish are their staple diet, however, they will go after any animal that gets too close, such as lizards, frogs, birds, turtles, little mammals, and crustaceans. The saltwater crocodile, the largest living reptile, with lengths of more than 20 feet, can eat buffaloes, wild boars, deer, sharks, among others. Crocodiles lay eggs like most reptiles. They build or excavate a nest area beside a river, and lay their clutch. Female crocodiles typically lay a clutch of between 20 and 60 eggs per nest, depending upon her age, size, and species. The incubation of eggs takes from 55 to 100 days. Mom's crocodiles will stay close to their offspring, and provide protection from predators for weeks to months. As the hatchlings grow, they will spread out, but they may stay near their nest for more than a year. Most crocodile species have an average lifespan of 30 to 60 years in the wild, with the saltwater crocodile being the longest living species, with a life expectancy of 50 to 70 years. In captivity, crocodiles may live up to 100 years. What about you? Do you like crocodiles? Have you ever seen a crocodile up close? Stay now with the sound of these amazing animals.